Hello, this is Andy from Team Savox. So today I want to show you the Savox waterproof servo SW-12 and 12. I will show you the difference between others. Okay, so this one is a Savox SW-12 and 12SG. So this one is a steel gear and this is a full waterproof IP67. Another feature is the cable is 45 centimeter, and this one is designed for the monster truck and crawler, so it provides a super high torque at 52 kilogram in 8.4 volt. It's around 722 ounce-inch, and the speed still have 0.13 second. I will show you the difference between the normal waterproof servo and SW-1212. The first difference is the height on this servo. So the SW-1212 is 4.1 millimeter higher than the normal waterproof servo. So the height will be around 46.1 and normal is around 42 millimeter. There's a first difference. But increase this height, you can have more torque on this servo. So for the normal, let's say the SW-1212SG is only 45 kilogram for the torque, but for the 1212, it's a 52 kilogram for the torque. There's a main difference. We can close look for the gears. It's a full steel gear, and we also redesigned the gear more stronger, so you can have a big teeth on the gear. So later on, we will put on the quarter and then we can test and show you. Okay, so we will mount SW-1212 into the chassis quarter. Okay, here is a mounting place for the chassis car. So although the size is a little bit higher, it's 4.1 millimeter higher than the normal servo, but it still can mount in here. It's no problem at all. So the size is okay. So right now I put the servo in the waters. So there's no problem to you under the water. I think this one is a IP67, so you can walk into the water for 1 meters. For the SW-1212, you have two colors you can choose. One is a brown edition, one is a blue edition.